Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to your task on ClickUp. Simply open up the task that you wish to add tags for and look on the options here and you will find tags. You will see that it's showing empty if no tags is attached. If there are, you will see a few. So in this case, I'm going to start by adding the first one and let's call this one YouTube, right? So if I type in YouTube there and click and enter, it's going to add the tag right there. You also see right here that it puts me in a new line, and so that means that I can continue to add tasks each time I click enter. So I'm going to call this one video, enter again. I'm going to call this one editing, for example, enter again, and I'm going to call this one tutorial, enter again. And that's it. So you can see right here that I actually add these tags. You'll see a few there, but there's also more. If I click on the plus, it shows me all the tags, and as well I can always continue to add tags. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.